Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be letting you know all about my 30-inch hair that I have been rocking. I've been serving Nicki Minaj teas, honey, yes, with the inches. And that hair is courtesy of Klaiyi Hair Company. They are a company on AliExpress. Of course, y'all know I love AliExpress, and they sent me over their Brazilian straight with a 20-inch free part enclosure with two 28-inch bundles and two 30-inch bundles. And I went ahead and made it a wig, as I always do, using a regular dome cap. And yeah, so my first thoughts about this hair is that it was super soft. Immediately out the box, and even after co-washing, the hair remained super soft and just really easy to work with. I really didn't have a problem when it came to tangling. It was some shedding, and honestly I kind of expected that with hair so long. So yeah, the only issue I had really was shedding, and that really even wasn't a big problem either. So yeah, I definitely really like this hair, and I definitely would like to try it in shorter lengths because this hair is so soft. And even after I washed it, even though it's straight hair, it did give me sort of a wave, and you definitely like that when it comes to straight hair because that really shows you that it's virgin hair, that they didn't really process it and steam it to get it so straight. So yeah, and as you can see, I'm showing you guys the bundles. I'm pretty sure that this is a 28-inch bundle, and then I did show the 30-inch, but honestly every bundle was very thick. Like the west was very thick, well constructed. I really like that about that as well. I didn't get like threads like the filler hairs that you can find in AliExpress hair, so I was very happy and satisfied with that. I'm showing you the ends, and another issue that I had with this hair, which I did expect since it's 30 inches, was that there was a lot of split ends. And what I did to kind of maintain the flyaways was, when I had the wig on, I would use some mousse before, like, you know, I went out, I would put mousse on, use the blow dryer, tie the hair down. That kind of did help with the flyaways, but that is definitely a heads up. There is a lot of split ends with this hair. To bleach the knots of my closure this time, I used the Quick Blue powder from L'Oreal instead of the BW2 bleaching powder. So this just helps me avoid those brassy orangey tones that your knots can turn, and it gave me a more natural look. This is the completed wig. I made this wig myself, and I really love this hair. Before I even styled it, I was just looking at it like, wow, like, should I do a middle part? Should I do what? Because the hair is so beautiful. I just want to wear it in so many ways. And here I'm giving you a closer texture shot. This hair is so soft. It has a really nice luster. But here I'm just showing you a close-up of how it actually looks. Okay, so here's how the closure is looking. I'll show you how it looks as you part it. And as you can see, it is a free part enclosure, lets you part wherever you want. There's definitely a lot of possibilities, especially when your knots look this good, honey. I definitely want to try a side part, you know, a little swoop in there, because I really do like how it came out. They look really natural, and I'm definitely happy that I used the Quick Blue powder rather than the BW2 powder, because I didn't have to worry about it literally turning orange. This definitely looks way better than I have done before. this hair. This hair has such a pretty natural luster. It takes heat super well. It styles well. Like, just everything about this hair is really a dream, from washing to straightening it. So I'm really happy about that. I did decide to cut bangs into this wig, and if you would like to see how I did that, I definitely have a video showing that. I kind of used a different method a little bit, but still along the same lines to get those bangs. And yeah, as you can see, this hair is super full. I used 3.5 bundles. I do have a little bit of the last bundle left. And yeah, as you can see, it reaches past like my thighs, definitely past my booty. It is so long, but I love this hair. So here you go. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope that you can check out Klaiyi hair as well. I will leave all the information down below, so be sure to check the description box, and I will see you in my next video.